Hi everyone, welcome to Simplify. My name is Nirupama and I make videos on food, health and nutrition. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 traditional recipes that make use of and celebrate the spice turmeric. If you are interested, keep watching. The anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties of turmeric have popularized it throughout the globe. I have a detailed video on turmeric and how to make the right use of it. I'll link it down below in the description box in case you're interested. People across the globe are consuming curcumin tablets or they are making teas, lattes, smoothies out of turmeric. But I believe that you can get the maximum benefit out of spices when you use them the traditional way. In our Indian style of cooking, we use turmeric a lot to make our curries and dals. But there are also some very unique and traditional recipes that make use of turmeric, sometimes in its fresh form. Taking inspiration from such recipes, I have curated 3 recipes for you guys today that make use of the spice turmeric. Let's get started. The first one is a turmeric pickle or haldi ka achar. Since fresh turmeric is abundant during winters, this recipe is a great way to preserve turmeric for when it goes out of season. You can have a little bit of turmeric pickle every day with your meals. It's a great way to incorporate fresh turmeric in the diet. To make this pickle, you will need fresh turmeric roots. I have used 6 to 7 turmeric roots for making one small batch of pickle. You can scale it up as you like. Once you have washed all your fresh turmeric roots, peel them and then chop them to make small pieces. Mind you, handling fresh turmeric is going to color your hands and the stains take a day or 2 to fade away. Once you have chopped all the turmeric roots, transfer everything to a large plate. And then keep the plate in a sunny spot of the house for 4 to 5 hours. We are just looking to dry out the turmeric pieces a little bit and to reduce their moisture by 20 to 30%. They should look something like this upon drying. The 4 spices that are going to be required for this pickle are rai, methi or fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, and some asafoetida or hing powder. Now heat some mustard oil in a small kadhai. I am using half cup mustard oil for 6 to 7 turmeric roots. Once the oil heats up, turn off the gas and then add 1 teaspoon methi seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, and some hing which I have forgotten to film here. Allow the mustard oil to cool down before adding it to the turmeric. Now time to bring the pickle together. I am adding 2 teaspoons pink salt. This can be replaced with regular salt. To this, add 2 teaspoons ground rye powder and mix everything well. Now add the cooled mustard oil with all the other spices. Mix everything really well. Now pour this pickle mixture preferably into a glass container. Close the lid well and leave it in a warm sunny spot of the house daily for 2 to 3 days. Mix the pickle once every day using a clean and dry spoon. Your pickle will be ready for consumption after 2 to 3 days. This pickle can be stored in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 months. The second recipe is my all-time favorite, turmeric milk or haldi doodh. This one is a fairly easy recipe and you don't even require too many ingredients to make it. In Ayurveda, turmeric milk is also recommended to relieve any aches and pains in the body. You can have this as a snack or half an hour before your bedtime. To start making the recipe, add a glass of milk to a pot. Once the milk comes to a boil, add the turmeric powder to the milk. I usually use a pre-made mixture of turmeric and black pepper powder. You could add a pinch of black pepper powder to the milk separately at this point. Black pepper helps with the absorption of curcumin in turmeric. Now after adding the turmeric powder, I let the milk boil away for 5 to 6 minutes at least. At this point, I am adding a teaspoon of gulkand or rose petal syrup to sweeten the milk a little bit. You could add sugar, jaggery, or totally skip the step even. That's it guys, turn off the gas and serve your rich yellow looking turmeric milk. I like adding a strand or 2 of kesar or saffron to the milk. There goes your immune boosting anti-aging super drink. The third recipe is Turmeric Sabzi. The inspiration for this Turmeric Sabzi comes from the Rajasthani Kachi Haldi ki Sabzi, which is a traditional dish made during the winter months. This Turmeric Sabzi is made using fresh turmeric and it can be had as a side dish with your main meals. Remember, you don't want to overeat this Sabzi as the anti-nutrients in turmeric can cause gastric problems if overconsumed. I am using 3 fresh turmeric roots for making this Sabzi. Once you have washed and peeled the turmeric roots, start chopping it into thin strips or juliennes. Once the turmeric has been chopped, heat a pot and add 2 tablespoons ghee to it. This turmeric sabzi has to be cooked in ghee, as any other oil will not do it the justice that ghee does. Once the ghee heats up, add some whole spices, that is whole cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Next, add some cumin seeds and allow it to splutter. Add 1 teaspoon grated garlic and 1 teaspoon grated ginger to the ghee and keep stirring for a few minutes. Now it is time to add the chopped turmeric roots and mix everything well. Add salt to taste, mix everything and cover with a lid to allow the turmeric to be cooked. After a few minutes, add some green peas to the sabzi and mix everything up. Cover and cook. Time to add the spices. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and a pinch of hing or asafoetida to the sabzi and give it a good stir. Cover and cook for another couple of minutes if you think the turmeric and peas need to soften down further. Finally, what brings this sabzi together is a cup of beaten dahi or curd. Once you have added the curd and mixed, cover with a lid and let it simmer for 4 to 5 more minutes. Lastly, add some chopped coriander leaves and mix. Time to serve this bright yellowish orange looking turmeric sabzi, which is best had as a side dish with your main meals. This sabzi will last in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. So those were my top 3 recipes involving the use of turmeric. Turmeric is nothing short of a superfood, but its benefits can be maximized only when it's cooked and had the traditional way. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of these recipes you're most likely to try out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care until then. Bye.